Hey everyone, this is Tatiana Moroz with Bitcoin Magazine, and I'm here with Paul Snow of the Texas Bitcoin Conference and Factum. Welcome to the show, I guess.
Thank you very much. Good to be here.
Cool. So, how are you liking Money 2020?
Money 2020 is amazing. 7,500 people, all in the bit payment and payment processing domain. It's really rather incredible.
I would say that Bitcoin has been the cute girl at the party here, don't you think?
Yeah, you know what's interesting is everyone this time around knows what Bitcoin is. I'm not getting anybody that looks at me and says, "What's Bitcoin?" And probably about 60 to 75% is very, very positive. A big change from some of the payment conferences I've gone to in the past.
Excellent. Very cool. So tell me a little bit about what you have planned next year for the Texas Bitcoin Conference.
Well, the Texas Bitcoin Conference is going to be at Austin City Limits Moody Theater. Austin City Limits Live Moody Theater. Get the name right, it's a little different. It's on 2nd Street in downtown Austin. It is a performance venue, and so it will be very, very different from your typical conference sort of thing. I think it's going to be a ton of fun. We are calling for papers, and so underneath this very fun conference, there's going to be quite a lot more technical content, because in a 20-minute to 30-minute presentation, you really can't get into the technical detail that you need to communicate to the rest of the community in order to progress the technology. So we really believe in the blockchain technology. We believe in Bitcoin value. We believe in cryptographic solutions to society's problems. We have all of this optimism, and we're doing our best to create a venue that highlights all of the great things about all things Bitcoin.
So what are the dates?
The dates are March 28th and 29th, with a kickoff event on the 27th.
Okay, so that's right after South by Southwest this year.
Yes, right after the week after South by Southwest.
Excellent, very cool. So people can stay in town in Austin. I love Austin. I had very bad allergy problems though, so you need to write to your senator and make sure that they take care of that by the time I arrive.
Well, we have a solution. We have scheduled no seater for that week, and all other allergens. We've exported them to New York, where they could better regulate allergies.
You know that I'm right outside Manhattan, right?
Well, but you're the guys that can regulate. We can't regulate, so we're going to move all of these problems to New York, where they can be solved with regulation.
Perfect. Yes, we all know how well that works. So let me ask you, what's this Factom thing?
Factom is a mechanism, a distributed autonomous application that I'm a very proud member of the development team, and we're building a distributed autonomous layer that'll run on top of Bitcoin that allows companies and organizations to utilize the blockchain to secure their own ledgers for their own purposes, independent of the Bitcoin coin. And the idea is to take people are already doing this. They're putting information into the Bitcoin blockchain that has nothing to do with Bitcoin transactions. There's a bit of friction in the Bitcoin community about whether this is a good idea or a bad idea. What Factom does is essentially lift those kinds of transactions into its own layer, where you can create those arbitrary ledgers. We secure it with the Bitcoin blockchain, but we reduce the bloat in Bitcoin.
Okay, excellent. Very cool. So where can people catch up and find out more about the conference and more about your progress with Factom?
Well, come to TexasBitcoinConference.com, and you can learn all about the Texas Bitcoin Conference. You can find us on Facebook, Texas Bitcoin Conference, and you can follow us on Twitter, Texas Bitcoin, and you can come to Factom at factom.org, and I believe that you can Google me on the internet, and it's pretty easy to find my contact information and contact me.
All right, great. Well, thank you very much for joining us. I hope to see you down in Austin.
Thank you very much, Tatiana.
Excellent.